Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install mods in Palworld. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to find a mod. For example, on Nexus Mods, I found this one, Play as Zoe mod, and as you can see here, it's a pack mod. This means it's super easy to install it. So I just need to press on manual and then download the mod here. Let's see, slow download and save it to our desktop. And once is on our desktop, what we need to do here is to extract the folder. So extract all, and let's say to desktop. And as you can see here, now we have a folder here. Open up folder. This is our file here. And then what we need to do here next is to open up Steam, right click on the Palworld, properties, installed files, browse. And then here we need to simply go to the destination that is pal content packs. And then what we need to do here is to drag the mod here. And then we need to roll the game. Let's wait for a couple of seconds until the game loads up. As you can see here, it's loading in. Let's close it, just start new game, create new worlds. Let's say mod, confirm, okay, start a new game. And as you can see here, we need to wait until confirms. And as you can see here, now our mod that we installed is here, Zoe. So yeah, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.